Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock image ratio on AOC monitor. So basically what you'll need to do is go to OSD and check if you have your image ratio right here available, but right now mine is grayed out. So how you can fix that? Basically what you can do is plug your not native monitor resolution, so that would be, let's say, older console or something like that that doesn't have 1920 by 1080p. So basically this will solve your issue and you'll be able to change that image ratio. Otherwise it detects the native monitor resolution and you won't be able to change that or just make available to use it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.